Hello students, I am Kavita ma'am and today we are going to learn the topic circle. Okay, before this I want to request that please like, share and subscribe my channel, means you will get the basic maths video. Okay, today we will start circle topic. In that we will see first radius and diameter. About radius and diameter we will see, because in circle also many parts are there, like radius, diameter, chord. Okay, but now we will see only radius and diameter. Okay, afterward we will see the relation between radius and diameter, how to find the radius, okay, or how to find the diameter. Okay, so first let's start. See circle. Now this is the circle. Okay, everyone knows that it is circle. Now see the middle point. Okay, whatever the middle point is there of circle, that we are saying center of the circle. Okay, center of the circle means what? This middle point. Always remember from this center. Okay, now see whatever boundary is there. Okay, from this boundary. Okay, each point of this boundary or each point on this boundary is at same distance from this center. Okay, means from center O. Now I gave name here O. Okay, point O is the center of the circle. Okay, from this O, this boundary of the circle is at equal distance. Okay, so center, now I gave the name point O is the center of the circle. Now our main topic is radius. Now we are going to see the radius. Okay, now radius means what? From the center of the circle to the boundary of that circle. Okay, means what? See a line which joins center of the circle and point on the boundary of the circle is called the radius of the circle. Okay, now radius of circle means what? From boundary to center of the circle. Okay, this line we call radius of the circle. Okay, and see here I gave the name OA. Okay, OA. OA is what? Our radius. OA is our radius. Now see, we can draw. Now just think students, from the center to the circle. Okay, from that center of circle to the boundary of circle, how many line we can draw like this? Means how many radius we can draw? Yes, we can draw innumerable. Okay, we can draw innumerable radius in one circle. Okay, innumerable means uncountable radius we can draw in a circle. Okay, see radius you understand. See first, radius means what? A line which join the center of the circle and the point on the boundary of the circle is called what? Radius of the circle. Okay, and see here OA is a radius. Now here see I given the line from center of the circle, okay, to the boundary of the circle is called what? Radius. Okay, and here OA is our radius. Okay, and we can draw innumerable radius I given here. Why? Because see, if we will draw here from the center of the circle, we can draw many radius. Okay, you can draw many radius. You can draw innumerable radius. Okay, you can give name also C, D, E, F like this. Okay, G means many radius you can draw in one circle. Okay, so what radius means what? Understand, radius means what? From center to center of the circle to the boundary of circle. The line, that line is called what? Radius of the circle. Okay, now radius we can denote it by the R. Okay, the R later we can denote it that radius. Now the again one important point is diameter. Now diameter means what? See here, see the line AB I draw. Okay, here AB line I drawn in this circle, and see what you can see here from the center of the circle. Okay, this center is there, center O I will draw. Okay, see this line is passing through the center of the circle. Okay, and joining 2 points of the boundary of circle. It means what? See, radius is only half of that circle. It means what? From center to the boundary. But now here this line AB is joining, see 2 points on the circle. Yes, no, 2 points on this boundary, 2 points of boundary, this line AB joining. Okay, and this line is going or passing through that center. If I am joining, see, if I am drawing again one line, if I am drawing this line also joining 2 points of the circle, but it is not diameter. For diameter one condition is there, that this line should go or this line should pass by this center of the circle. Okay, if that line is not passing by the circle, by the center of the circle, then it is not a diameter. Okay, it is a chord. After we will see this, but See, diameter is also a chord. Okay, this is the longest chord of the circle. But now we will see the diameter only. So diameter means what? See the point. Okay, see the line we join 2 points on the circle and passing through the center of the circle. It's called the diameter. Okay, now see, I have given here a line passing through the center of the circle and join 2 points on boundary of the circle. It's called what? Diameter of the circle. Okay, here your AB. Okay, this line AB is what? Line segment AB is what? Our diameter. Understand? Now see, here also same like a radius, we can draw innumerable. Okay, we can draw innumerable, uncountable diameter in one circle. See, from the center of from the center of circle, see, many line can pass. Isn't it? It means what? We can draw innumerable diameter in one circle. Okay, and this diameter is denoted by D. Okay, students, understand. Now radius means what? Radius means the line from center of the circle to the boundary of circle. And see, diameter means what? Diameter means what? A line we join 2 points on the circle but which is passing through the center of the circle. This is diameter. Okay, radius we are denoting by R and diameter we are denoting by D. Okay. Now we will see the relation between radius and diameter. Now we will see. Now you understand what is meant by radius and diameter. Now see, students, just you will understand what is the relation between radius and diameter. Okay. Now see, radius means what? The line which from center of the circle to the boundary of circle. This is your radius. I can give here name OA. Okay, OA is a radius. Now, what is the diameter? Diameter means what? See, diameter means what? The line which pass through the center of the circle and join 2 points of the circle. It means what? We can draw like this line. See, this I am giving A, B. It means what? C. Now you just see, you just tell me what relation you can find in this. See, a diameter is what? From this point to this means full circles. Okay, point means and it is passing through the center of the circle. And radius means only this, means from the center of the circle and boundary of the circle, means half part of that circle. Okay, so what is the relation between that? We can say like that, the diameter, okay, diameter is 2 times of radius, or we can say double of radius. Okay, it means what? If OA, okay, this OA is half of this AB, we can say like that. Yes. Okay, isn't it? Why? Because see, AB we drawn from C. This line OB, it is also from center to boundary of circle, and I told you that from that center of the circle, each point of, okay, this boundary is at equal distance. Okay, means from OA and OB, okay, both distance are equal. It means what? See, OA, if it is 5 centimeter, then AB is what? See, it is 10 centimeter. Okay, if OA is 5 centimeter, then OB also 5 centimeter. Why? Because from center of the circle to the boundary of circle, equal distance are there. Okay, so what relation we can find here? See, that radius means OA. Okay, this radius is half of diameter. जो radius होता है वो क्या होता है? Diameter के half होता है. Okay, so see, relation I wrote here for relation between radius and diameter is what? Now see, radius is half of the diameter, means whatever see diameter is there, okay, उसके half of का क्या होगा? Radius होगा, because diameter is see from A to B is diameter, okay, and radius if OA or OB are radius, it means what? That half of that line. Yes, no, this OA and OB is half of AB. It means we can write radius means R. I told you radius we can denote it by R, and diameter we are writing, okay, denoting by D. So radius is equal to D by 2. Why I wrote D by 2? It means half of. Half we are denoting 1 upon 2. So D divided by 2 means whatever diameter is there, if you will divide by 2, you will get radius. Okay, why? Because radius is half of the diameter. Okay, see one example I gave here. If diameter is equal to 10 centimeter. Okay, so how you will find the radius? Radius is equal to, first we can use this formula. So radius is equal to what? Half of diameter means D by 2. Okay, D means diameter. So diameter is what? 10. So 10 divided by 2. So 2 5s are 10. 5 centimeter. Got it? Means our radius is what now? Our radius is, we will get, see this radius we will get 5 centimeter. How? Because radius is half of the diameter and diameter they given 10 centimeter. So 10 divided by 2 we will get 5 centimeter radius. Understand students? What? That radius is half of the diameter. Diameter is, see, from A to B is diameter. Full line. This is the diameter. Okay. And radius is what? Radius is half of this line. Okay. Because from center to this boundary same distance is there. So OA also same and OB also same. It means what? OA is half of AB, or we can say OB is half of AB. Okay, same. Or you can write like this also, diameter is 2 times of radius. Diameter is 2 times. मतलब 2 times means 2 multiply by 2 or double. Okay, diameter क्या होता है? Double होता है radius के. Means see, OA is radius. Okay, और OB is radius. और दोनों मिलके क्या होता है? आपका diameter होता है. It means what? If 2 radius mix, then we will get what? If 2 radius we will add, then we will get what? Diameter. Okay, so we can write like this also, diameter is equal to 2r, means 2 multiply r. Okay, nothing is there means multiplication sign between them. Okay, always remember whenever sign is not there, so here multiplication sign is there. Okay, so 2r means 2 times r, times means multiplication. So 2 times of r. So see one example I gave here. If they given radius, okay, here see radius they given 4 centimeter. Radius is equal to 4 centimeter. Then how you will find the diameter? So diameter is equal to 2r, means 2 multiply r. So 2 multiply r. R is what? Your R is 4 centimeter. So 2 multiply 4, it is 8 centimeter. Okay, you will get the diameter is what? 8 centimeter. Why? Because your radius is 4 centimeter and diameter is 2 times of radius or double of radius we can say. Okay, so understand students the relation between radius and diameter. It is very important relation. This relation is very important. Why? Because whenever you are finding the area or circumference of circle, that time what given is, sometimes they are giving you diameter and you have to find the radius. Okay, so you should know the relation of this diameter and radius. Okay, then only you can find that next area or circumference, or yes, sometimes they are giving you radius and you have to find the diameter. Such type of question are there for 5th and 6th standard. Okay, in your textbook. Okay, if they are giving radius and you have to find the diameter, or they are giving diameter and you have to find the radius. So how you will find? If they are giving radius, so see here. If they are giving radius, so how you will find the diameter? Diameter is 2 times of radius. Okay, means double of radius. So see, radius if they given, then diameter is equal to 2r. This formula you have to use. So 2 multiply 4. Why? Because radius is 4. So 2 multiply 4, 8 centimeter. Okay. And if they given diameter, and if you have to find this radius, so how you will find? Radius is equal to half of diameter. मतलब जो भी diameter होगा उसके half करना है. So diameter is 10 centimeter और उसके half किया, मतलब divided by 2. So 2 के टेबल में 10 का पता है 5 है. So 2 5 are 10. Okay, like this you can find the radius and diameter. Okay, for some one example we will take on this diameter and radius, means you will get the idea. Okay. Okay, now see this example. The question will come like this. Okay, in your textbook also questions are there of circle. See, find the radius of the circle. Okay, find the radius of the circle when they are giving the diameter. Okay, here they given the diameter what? 24 meter. Okay, now we know that, see, now here they given diameter. So which formula we have to use? We have to find the radius. For radius, which formula we will use? See, radius is half of the diameter. Okay, see, d by 2 means diameter divided by 2. Now what is our diameter? 24. So radius is equal to 24 divided by 2. So what we will get? See, we will divide this. Radius is equal to 2 ones. See here, radius 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, means radius you will get 12 meter. Okay, how we find the radius? See, what they given here, they given diameter. Okay, diameter is equal to 24 meter. Okay, now from that we have to find the radius. So how you will find the radius? Radius is equal to half of diameter. So radius is equal to 24 divided by 2. So it is 12, we know that, and see students, in maths tables are very important. If you know the tables, easily you can do this calculation. So see, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, means 12 2s are 24, we know this. So radius is 12 meter. Same, the question is like this. See, find the diameter of the circle. Now they are giving diameter of the circle, we have to find. They given radius. Okay, radius they given 15 centimeters. So which formula we can use? We know that diameter is 2 times of radius. Okay, 2 times of radius. So diameter we have to find here. So how you will find the diameter? See, diameter is equal to 2 times, I told you that nothing is there, means multiplication sign. So 2 multiply radius, what they given? 15 centimeters. So 15 we will write here. So diameter we will get, see, 2 15 or 15 to the, okay. For this also you should know the tables, then only you can do the calculation very easily. So 15 to the 30, I am writing here. So diameter we will get 30 centimeters. See, understand students what we done here? First they given the diameter, from that we found radius. How? Radius is equal to half of diameter, क्योंकि radius क्या होता है? Diameter के half होता है. So जितना भी diameter होगा उसके half क्या होगा? आपका radius होगा. Okay, when you will divide by 2, you will get radius. And same, if they will give radius, and radius is what now? See, diameter is 2 times of radius. It means 2 multiply रेडियस, डबल होता है रेडियस के, जितना भी रेडियस होता है उसके डबल क्या होता है? डायमीटर. सो डायमीटर इज इक्वल टू 2 multiply 15, बिकॉज डबल मीन्स वी आर राइटिंग 2 multiply by 2. So 2 multiply 15, it is 30 centimeter. Okay students, understand how to find the diameter from radius and radius from diameter. Okay, this point is very important. So next we will see how to find the area of the circle and circumference of the circle. Okay, so please stay tuned and just please subscribe my channel, means you will get the video, okay, how to find the area and how to find the circumference of the circle. And please just like, share and subscribe my channel. Okay students, bye.